So I'm giving out this free 3D test, which is a Blender project. So all you need to do is to download Blender software, which is a free software. I'll paste the link in the description for you to get it. And if you want this project, to check the description for the file. So after opening this file, this is what you are going to see. So all you need to do is to change the colors or change the text however you want it. So let me give you a simple tip on how to edit this text. So if you want to edit it, first of all, you have to select whatever you want. So if you look here, I've grouped them. So the first one is shape text, which is the one below. So just like Photoshop, if you press the I2, it is going to be invincible. So when you press it back, it will just appear. So the same thing applies to the light too. When I off it, the same method. So now let's change the text. So I'll start with the cross. So if you look at the collections, you are going to see cross. So just press this arrow, it is going to open it. So we have 3 layers here. You have the cross front, so which is the front one. So the moment you select it, make sure to press tap on your keyboard, or you can come over to object mode, then you click, then you make sure to select edit mode, then you change the text. Maybe say come, let's say this SYY. When I'm done, I'll go to edit mode and I'll come back to the object mode. Then the method 1 to cross method, then I'll come over to object, edit, then I'll change the text to whatever I want. The same thing too applies to the third one, which is the cross end. Then you go to object mode, edit, then you type your text, then you go back to edit mode and you change it to object mode. So now this is how you can edit the text. So let's look at the colors. So if you want to change the colors, scroll down these icons. When you scroll down to the bottom, you will see something like this. This one, just click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see the base color. So that is what you need to change. So you can change the color, then you leave it. Let's say if you select another one, this one, then you also press the base color, then you change it just like that. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share to others.